Kangkung, 1 bunch of kangkung, salt as per the taste. So the kangkung you have to clean and don't cut, just separate it, the leaves take separately like this. Cut the onions 2 slices and chop garlic and chop ginger. Also you have to cut into small pieces, those 3 chili, you have to cut into small pieces. Take big vessels and put some oil into that. Adding oil. Now add mustard seed, fenugreek seed, cumin seed and chili into the oil. Garlic and ginger both. You can add more onion. You can reduce the fire. And add the turmeric powder. I add the turmeric powder and then mix it well. So if more onion, it will be more tasty, but I took only 2 onions, big onions. So you can switch off the cooker or you can reduce the heat. And then now you have to add the kangkung. Add 2 tablespoons of water. If you have stock water, also good, but normal water is okay. Add 2 spoons of water. Close the lid and switch on the cooker and keep for 2-3 minutes. And then stir it again. Every 2-3 minutes you have to mix it and close the lid. If you need more spice, you can add green chili, you can add red chili, as per your taste, but I don't want to put more chili because I am using pepper, and I already took 3 pieces of dry chili, so I didn't take green chili, but you can add green chili or dry chili flakes. So now it is time to add salt. and the pepper. I like pepper than green chili. So switch off the cooker and close the lid and keep for 2-3 minutes. After 3 minutes you can check it again. Yeah, it is well cooked. Not overcooked. It is green color. So it is enough now. Now you can switch off the cooker and you can take out from the cooker. This is the kangkong side dish. I didn't put more chili but still spicy. Yeah, salt and everything is okay. It will be good with the white rice. Thank you for watching. Now it is time to taste.